Hello, how are you? Welcome to your second lesson of enlarging shapes, and today we are going to learn describing enlargements. Okay, so start over with our examples. Look at in this question what you need to tell. You need to find the scale factor by which E has been enlarged, this rectangle. Okay, so for that what we can do, look at count these units 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the length of this rectangle is 3 and the length of this rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is 3 and this is 9. To go from 3 to 9, what you need to do, you need to multiply it by 3. It means your scale factor will be equals to 3. Okay, all right, now the second part of the question you have to do, that there is an other rectangle F, okay, that has been enlarged from E, understand, and the scale factor given to you is equals to 10. So you are given the lengths of rectangle E, that is 9 and 4.5, and you are given scale factor as well. So we can make a rectangle over here. Okay, this is rectangle F. Alright, so this is rectangle F and the sides of rectangle can be found by multiplying 9 with 10 and by multiplying 4.5 with 10. Why? Because this is a rectangle which has been enlarged using scale factor of 10 from E to F. Okay, so when you will multiply 9 by 10 you will get 90, and when you will multiply 45 by 10 you will get 450, and when you will move your decimal it will become 45. So 45 and 90 are your dimensions of F. Now to find area of F, what we need to do, we need to multiply 45 with 90. So when you will multiply 9 by 45, you will get 405, and this 0 will be written as it is. So area of rectangle F will be equals to 4050 centimeters squared. Okay. Look at this question now. Now you have to describe your enlargement. Okay, you have to describe your full enlargement, and for that what you need to do, first thing you need to find your scale factor. Okay, so scale factor, how can you find? Look at this side is easier to find, this one and this one. We can count the numbers. This is 1 and 2. So this is 2 units long, and look at here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. How many units long? 4 units. So when you are going from 2 to 4, what have you done? You have multiplied it by 2, right? So it means your scale factor is equals to 2. So it's very simple. So in the same way you can find this side as well. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so from 3 to 6 what you need to do, you need to multiply by 2. Look at your scale factor is still same, so your scale factor is 2 in this shape when you are enlarging B from A. The second thing you need to find is center of enlargement. Okay, center of enlargement. So this is a bit tricky but very easy thing if you will look at here carefully. Okay, so to find your center of enlargement, what you exactly need, you exactly need a ruler. Okay, so you have a ruler, you need to join the corresponding points. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to join the corresponding points. So look at this one point has the corresponding point equals to this. So we need to join these 2 points. Look at here, and very careful with your ruler you need to do. So stretch your line and leaving up to here. Okay, so now I'm starting from this point and the corresponding to this is this one. I need to stretch so that both lines can cross each other. So look at this is their meeting point. Okay, now we can join this one point with its corresponding point, which is equals to this. So look at it is also crossing the same point. Okay, so now if you look at here carefully, this is your center, which is having 7 and 6 as your coordinates. That would be equals to 7 and 6, right? This one point. Okay, so this is 7 equals to x and 6 equals to y. So this is your center of enlargement. Look at this question now. What I'm going to teach you, that if you have scale factor equals to a fraction, for example, now you have to enlarge your shape with scale factor equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means half. half, so it means your shape is going to be half of its original size, so it's going to be smaller. Okay, so what we need to do when you have a scale factor equals to a fraction, you need to divide your lengths. So here the length is 2, here the length is 1 2 3 4, and here it is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now we have to halve all of our lengths to make a new triangle. So the new triangle will be equal to 1 because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then we have 4 divided by 2 will be equals to 2. So this is the new length, and here 4 divided by 2 equals to 2, and we can join it like this. Okay, so now this is your new triangle. You can name it like A dash, B dash, and C dash. Look at this last question. Now what you need to do, you need to describe your transformation from A to B. Okay, from A to B. So look at here carefully that now B is smaller in size than A. So it means your scale factor is going to be in fraction. To find your scale factor, what you can do, you can count the units. That is 1, 1 equals to 2, and this is 1. So it means that you have divided 2 by 2 and it gave you 1. So your scale factor will be equals to 1/2. Okay, because 2 divided by 2 means that you have made a half of 2. In the same way, look at this is 2, this is 2, and all sides if you will divide by 2, you will get scale factor equals to 1 by 2. So now what we need to do, we need to find our center. Okay, center of enlargement. The same way we have done, you need a ruler and you need to join your points. Okay, so the corresponding points, this one and this one, we need to stretch the line, and up till here is fine. Okay, so now I'm choosing this point, the corresponding to this is this one, and I need to stretch it as much as it can cross the previous line. So one more is this one, so I am just joining the points and finding the meeting point. Okay, so here you go. This is your final point. So this is your center of enlargement, which is equals to 1 and 5. So your center of enlargement is equals to 1 and 5. Okay, so that's all about enlarging the shapes. We have covered almost all the things. So if you have any problem, you can ask me in comments. See you in the next class. Take care.